Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very pleased to announce our very second giveaway. We're going to be giving away a set of free LASFIT floor liners. There's the box right there. Somebody will be getting a set of these floor liners. I'll show you some pictures in the car in a second. The floor liners will be absolutely free to you. All you have to do is be a subscriber to the channel, like the video, and comment in the video and say enter me, and then you will be automatically entered in. The giveaway will be closed on the 16th and we will announce the winner on the 17th, this coming Saturday. So we'll make a video with that announcing the winner. All you'll have to do is contact me, give me your email, then I'll email you and I'll give you all the information with a perfectly free code, 100% free. You go on their website, you order it, you put in the code, and then they'll send the floor mats directly to your house free of charge. So what I want to start off with saying is that these mats, I've had them in the car for about a little over a month and they're amazing. The fit is great. I'll show you how easy they are to clean. Just take a hose to them, don't need chemicals. They bead water like a bird's back. It's amazing. I'll show you inside the car real quick. These mats also keep the floor extremely clean. When I pull that mat back, I'll show you a quick clip of that. There is no dirt underneath that mat. It covers everything. Basically 100% coverage, so you're really protecting the inside of the car, which is awesome. As you can see, these are pretty dirty. Just gonna pull them back. Show you how well they cover. Everything underneath is completely clean. Mats. Also, for anyone who's interested in these mats, if you use my name, Dan Villa, on their website, I'll put the link below. You can use that and you'll get 10% off the cost of the mats if you don't win or you would like to order them as well. LASFIT has a lot of other products as well. They have lighting. As you can see, I have these really bright LED interior lights. I have LASFIT turn signals. I'll walk you around to the back of the car. They're super bright. I posted them a bunch in my other videos. I could put all links to this stuff as well. If you use my name for any of these products, you will get 10% off of them. So these are the turn signals. I'll show you the reverse bulbs in a minute, and the high beams as well. These are the reverse lights. None of these bulbs throw error codes or anything like that, or hyper flash. Built-in resistors. I will show you what the high beams look like. They match the headlight perfectly. I have videos on how to install all of this stuff as well. I'll put the links in there. I'll show you you can see the before and afters with those videos as well if you're interested. Also, if you want, you could follow LASFIT Auto Lighting on Instagram. They're a great company, always have great products. All of the quality of their products are top notch. So far, all the lighting in my car is all LASFIT. I have a Durango as well. If you follow my channel, I've posted videos on that as well. I've done some switchback LEDs. All their products are really just top notch. I'm always happy and they exceed my expectations once they put them in. Great stuff. Haven't had an issue with any of their products as of yet. Everything is good. Their warranty is amazing. So basically, this is your opportunity to get an amazing set of floor mats absolutely free. Like I said, just remember to like the video, comment, enter me, as well as be a subscriber to the channel. Do those three things and you're good to go. So guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thank you, LASFIT, for the opportunity once again. I appreciate all the help you've given me. Good luck everyone for next week. Take care.